Hey guys, it's Ginny Silver. It is time for many of you to attempt to certify for your unemployment benefits. And we all know that the EDD's website has been extremely troublesome for most on Sundays. So because my comments on Sundays have been consistently flooded with those of you that are confused and needing help, I wanted to make you a video walking through some of the confusing things and some of the assistance that you guys are asking for frequently about this Sunday's certification. Number one is that the EDD's website, specifically the certification page and the login screen, will most likely continue to crash this Sunday as it has done the last several months worth of Sundays in a row. If you are getting either an inability to log in or an access message letting you know that they're limiting the number of claimants who can log in, you're going to have to try a few different things. If you're having trouble accessing the website for any reason, you can, number one, simply wait, try it again later, or try it again on Monday. In most cases, the EDD's website has significantly lower traffic on Monday, and most of the issues are resolved by then. If you want to try a trick to help you to log in right away, go to your email address that is linked to your EDD account. Find an old email that the EDD had sent to you, and within that email, locate the blue UI Online link. Most find that through clicking this link, they are able to then access a page and log in successfully. If that doesn't work for you and you are a UI or Fed Ed claimant, then you will be able to certify using the 24-hour-a-day telecert phone number. This is not the same number as customer service, and it will only allow you to certify if you are a UI or Fed Ed claimant who is not claiming any sort of income or changes to your account. Many find that if they are able to log in but still have trouble with the certifications page, that accessing the UI Online mobile version of the website allows them to certify with much fewer glitches. And finally, simply reloading the page repeatedly, clearing your cache or your cookies, or accessing the site from a different type of browser or a different type of device often helps people to log in. The next concern that many of you are still having is wondering whether or not you are required to certify this Sunday on 7/11 that you have searched for work in the weeks prior. The EDD has stated very clearly that starting July 11th, you are required to begin your search for work. They did not state that you were required to begin certifying that you had searched for work previously. They stated that starting July 11th, you will begin your search for work. That means that on your certification, 7/11, the old eligibility requirements still stand, and the new eligibility requirements will take effect thereafter. However, I have always said during the entire course of the pandemic that even though the work search requirements were waived, that getting stuck in pending with an eligibility interview, which can take up to 12 weeks at the current time frame, is caused very frequently by stating that no, you did not look for work. Even though it is permissible to answer no, I still always recommend that you answer yes and look for work. That means that regardless of the fact that these work search requirements go into effect starting July 11th and onward, I still hold firm to the fact that stop payment alerts are specifically added to claimants who answer no. So I still recommend that you answer yes and continue to look for work. Lastly, some of you may see your payments marked as pending. I want you to not be alarmed if your payments are marked as pending for the first 48 hours, as the EDD sometimes takes more time to process the certifications than others. If your payments are stuck in pending beyond 48 hours and you're on a claim which is over a year old, you may have a stop payment alert on your claim for a new quarter review. The new quarter reviews are not listed anywhere in the EDD's information online, but back in April 10th, at the end of the first quarter, we had a significant number of claimants calling in to customer service and customer service notifying them that their claim was pending because they have been on an unemployment claim for over a year, and at the start of each quarter, they would need to undergo a quarterly review. If you find that you are pending for more than 48 hours for claim week ending 7/10, you are unfortunately going to need to call into customer service. Once you actually get through to customer service, which we all know is quite difficult, it does seem to be an easy thing for a customer service representative to be able to clear from your account. Most claimants who reported this being an issue for them back in the first quarter for claim week ending 4/10 reported that once they called into customer service, they simply asked them a few simple questions about their claim, about their reason for not working, and then they had the stop payment alert lifted and they were able to receive their payments. Lastly, you guys, if you need help getting a hold of customer service, I want you to view all of the links to videos and tips that I have in the video description for you, as well as a reminder to contact your assembly member, which is also linked in the video description as well, if you need help getting pending payments resolved. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below.